Welcome to DivkLearner, where we move a bit forward daily. A big shout out to all IT champions. You are the magic makers turning challenges into solutions. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful DAX function, MIN. Have you ever wondered how to find the smallest value in a column or across multiple columns in the Power BI? The DAX, the MIN DAX function is your go-to tool. In this video, we'll explore how to use MIN to extract the smallest numerical. You can also use it for the date value, helping you to simplify your analysis and make your model more efficient. As we focus on one DAX function daily, these small steps will lead to significant process. Let's take this bit forward daily together. Let me let me on or join me on this exciting journey with DivkLearner. Before we jump in, we make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification you can never miss a step in your Power BI journey. Here at DivkLearner, we empower you take a bit forward daily with practical tips and powerful technique. Ready? Let's get started. So, as I was mentioning, we'll be talking about the min function. So that is the min function returns the smallest value in a column. So it can work on both numerical as well as the date values, or between the two scalar expression. You can put in a syntax, or the syntaxes are minimum. You give the column name, you write down minimum, expression one, expression two. The minimum function takes a column or two expression as an argument and returns the smallest value. The following data types values are considered: number, text, dates, blank. Very quickly, let's just jump to the demo part of it. So here what I've done is I've created a demo. We have been using this particular data with with our examples. So we have serial number, product, quantity sold, quantity available, quantity per month, price, and average quantity sold. So okay, these were all the things which were there in the table. The rest are being created as the custom columns and uh, measures. So very quickly, I'll go back to the tool, to the uh, table view. From the table view, I'll go back to the visual view, and in visual view, I'll show you that what I've done is I have created two different measures. One is minimum quantity available only in int. So available in int is where, because if you see in the data, we have values available, quantity available, which is having NA or null, or which is having true and false. That's the drawback that we have in the data. So what we have done is we have created another function called quantity available in int. So we are only considering the int values there. That's the formula used. You can see the previous videos to get familiarized with them. So this is what I'm doing, creating the minimum, finding the minimum quantity available in int, and then quantity sold as well. So here I'm using two card controls or two card visual, in which one I'm showing you the quantity sold, the other one I'm showing you the minimum quantity available only in int. So that is the minimum quantity of all the items that we have. And if you see on the two sides, what we have is we have the tables where we are expressing this as with the product as the x-axis and the y-axis as the minimum quantity sold. On the right side, we have another clustered column chart, which is showing you the product and the quantity available by product. So that's how you can use minimum function, and I'm trying to show you the different ways that you can use it. So again, that's all that I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching DivkLearner, where we move a bit forward daily. If this video helped you understand these DAX function, give it a thumbs up and share it with your network, and subscribe for more powerful Power BI insights. Try these functions in your data model and let us know your experience in the comments below. See you in the next one.